What is the capital of the United States? The correct answer is Washington, D.C. What is the largest planet in our solar system? The correct answer is Jupiter. How many continents are there on Earth? The correct answer is 7. What is the process by which plants make their food? The correct answer is photosynthesis. Who wrote Harry Potter? The correct answer is J.K. Rowling. Which planet is known as the red planet? The correct answer is Mars. What is the smallest prime number? The correct answer is 2. How many sides does a hexagon have? The correct answer is 6. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? The correct answer is 100. What is the largest mammal in the world? The correct answer is blue whale. Which ocean is the largest? The correct answer is Pacific. Who was the first president of the United States? The correct answer is George Washington. Which is the longest river in the world? The correct answer is Nile. What is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit? The correct answer is 32. How many legs does a spider have? The correct answer is 8. Which country is the largest by land area? The correct answer is Russia. Who painted the Mona Lisa? The correct answer is Leonardo da Vinci. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? The correct answer is diamond. What is the capital of France? The correct answer is Paris. Which planet is closest to the Sun? The correct answer is Mercury. How many colors are there in a rainbow? The correct answer is 7. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? The correct answer is lion. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? The correct answer is avocado. How many bones are in the human body? The correct answer is 206. What is the smallest ocean in the world? The correct answer is Arctic. What is the largest desert in the world? The correct answer is Sahara. Which language is the most widely spoken in the world? The correct answer is English. Who invented the telephone? The correct answer is Alexander Graham Bell. What is the capital of Japan? The correct answer is Tokyo. How many planets are in our solar system? The correct answer is 8. What is the largest organ in the human body? The correct answer is skin. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? The correct answer is France. What is the main gas found in the air we breathe? The correct answer is oxygen. Which planet has the most moons? The correct answer is Jupiter. Who discovered America? The correct answer is Christopher Columbus. Which is the largest land animal? The correct answer is elephant. How many hearts does an octopus have? The correct answer is 3. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? The correct answer is Mount Everest. What is the main ingredient in chocolate? The correct answer is cocoa beans. What is the chemical symbol for water? The correct answer is H2O. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? The correct answer is Africa. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? The correct answer is William Shakespeare. What is the largest island in the world? The correct answer is Greenland. How many teeth does an adult human have? The correct answer is 32. Which is the smallest country in the world? The correct answer is Vatican City. What is the longest bone in the human body? The correct answer is femur. Who is known as the father of computers? The correct answer is Charles Babbage. What is the fastest land animal? The correct answer is cheetah. Which is the highest waterfall in the world? The correct answer is Angel Falls. What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system? The correct answer is Milky Way Galaxy.